Okay, so the next step says create a clustered column chart with data sets of total sales and total commission. So we want to go to our information, and to create a chart, we want to first highlight all of our information. And I'm going to get this option down in the lower right corner that says quick analysis, and I'm going to go to that. It's going to give me a lot of options, so I know I definitely want a chart, so I'm going to click charts. And I have all these options, and if you hover over them, it'll give you a preview of everything. I want clustered columns, so here are my clustered columns. And you see, just without clicking on this, it gives me this preview. And step 2 says I want data sets of total sales and total commission. Well, when I look here, blue is total sales, orange is total commission. That's exactly what I needed, so I'm going to click that. And it's going to go ahead and insert the chart for me. Now, if I wanted to change the way the chart looks, I have a whole bunch of options up top, but I don't need to do that. I'm just going to move the chart so we can see everything, and that is how to create a chart.